Today, we will be talking about how you can withdraw your funds from your account. You can withdraw your funds by simply logging into your MyIG account on the web trading platform. Click onto the Life Accounts tab at the top left of your screen. There, you will select Withdraw Funds in one of the options shown below. You can then choose to withdraw your funds back to your card as a refund or as a bank transfer, assuming all credit checks have been met. If you request withdrawal before midday 12 p.m., your funds should reach you on the afternoon of the day you withdrew, between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Singapore time. A withdrawal past 12 p.m. should reach you the next working day between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Credit and debit card withdrawals will reach your card in about 5 business days after we process your request. However, all withdrawals are subjected to security checks, and we may request more info from you before returning your funds, such as a screenshot of your bank statement or proof of identity. You may wish to send in a screenshot of your card or bank statement along with any proof of transfers to IG under the Verification tab on the left. The most common reason that you can't withdraw funds is that we haven't yet verified the source of the funds. For the specifics, you can drop us a call at 6390-5118 or send us an email at helpdesk@ig.com.sg. To learn more about IG and trading, head over to ig.com/sg now. See you there.